Welcome to a transformative journey through the realm of investments, designed to empower you with the knowledge to confidently navigate the complex stock market landscape. This journey is for the resilient and curious, for those who've experienced the fear of uncertainty when making investment decisions. With challenges ahead, one of the most daunting is the fear of losing money, often stemming from a lack of knowledge. However, fear transforms into opportunity as we demystify the financial markets, acknowledge the feeling of being overwhelmed, and embrace education as our tool. Remember, knowledge is power. Together, we'll build upon your understanding, step by step, towards financial empowerment and success. Embarking on this journey means starting at the basics of investments. It's about empowerment, education, and overcoming fears. With an array of investment types, from stocks and bonds to ETFs, understanding these tools is your first step towards financial literacy. The stock market, a bustling ecosystem of opportunities, operates on the principles of supply and demand. Amidst this, setting clear financial goals is crucial, as they shape your investment strategy. Knowledge gained here is foundational, preparing you to navigate future challenges with an informed perspective. As we explore the core of successful investing, effective risk management comes to the fore. Identifying risks, like understanding market volatility, and employing mitigation techniques, such as diversification, prepares us to balance risk and reward. This segment prepares us for a deeper exploration into risk management strategies, where knowledge and strategy enable us to navigate investment hurdles with agility. Remember, mastering risk management is not only about overcoming fear, but also about weaving these principles through all investment decisions, guiding us towards financial triumph. Journeying through the nuances of investing, we've now arrived at learning from the experts. Drawing wisdom from successful investors like Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, and Cathie Wood, we see the importance of a disciplined approach, embracing diversity and forward thinking. These case studies teach us the value of patience, the benefit of innovative strategies, and the significance of continuous learning. Let's actively apply these insights, adapting the principles that resonate with us as we prepare to transition from theory to practical application. The lessons learned here illuminate our path towards carving a successful investment journey. Moving forward, our practical journey unfolds within the world of investment simulations. These platforms act as a crucible for refining our strategies in a risk-free environment, where each decision enhances our understanding of strategic investment making. Engagement with simulators transcends mere play. It's a rigorous educational process where every action provides insights into market dynamics and investment psychology. Furthermore, these simulations foster a community of learning, sharing experiences and strategies, ultimately preparing us for the real-world investing challenges that lie ahead. Emphasizing the importance of staying informed and embracing continuous learning, we delve into how keeping abreast with market changes enhances our investment acumen. The investment landscape is constantly evolving, requiring us to adapt our strategies accordingly. Resources for continuous learning have never been more accessible, from financial news outlets to webinars. This segment underlines continuous learning as a critical investment skill, setting the stage for the strategic development of your investment plan. Armed with ongoing insights, crafting a robust strategy becomes a guided journey with defined objectives. Our narrative now brings us to a crucial phase, creating your investment plan. Utilizing the knowledge amassed, we transition into setting clear financial objectives and aligning our strategies to meet them. This plan isn't static. It evolves with regular reviews and adjustments in response to life events and market shifts. Here, the essence of a successful investment strategy is its adaptability, guiding us to not only create, but also refine our plans. As we draw this chapter to a close, remember, each step taken is a stride towards financial empowerment and fulfilling our aspirations.